don't know what to do. I wish that I never met you. Say, please tell me where you are.
So our guest is going for some nice coppery orange looks. She's gonna get a 4-row extension application. We're doing hand-tied extensions. So today I'm mixing her base color. I'm going in with a little bit of 6N from the Color XG from Paul Mitchell. It's a European color. And then I'm gonna go ahead and mix with some 6RO. It's gonna give us a beautiful base color.
I don't know what to do.
For her hair extensions, I use Monaco in-house extensions, and I toned those with the same color I used on her real hair. I went ahead and used the Color XG with 5 volume, and they came out perfectly. It's such a seamless blend for having such short hair. Whenever you have this amount of hair, you have to make sure you go in with at least 4 rows, and you're gonna have to make sure you're doing a lot of texturizing, so that way it's gonna look seamless like she did today. Our guest loved it. It looks young and hip, just like her.